Oops. What? Oh, really? I think you need to. Oh, I think you need to collect more seasoning. No, seasoning. You need to go get some. You need to go get some for the animals. Yeah, go out and get some. Let me see. Come show me. Let me see what you got. Hold on. Let me see what you got. There you go. That's okay. You're making soup for the animals. It's all right. It's part of cooking. You're getting dirty. Yep. Ah, there you go. Okay. Is your soup almost ready for the oven? Yeah, are you ready to cook your soup on the oven? Okay. On the oven it goes. Yep, give it a couple seconds. All right, I think your soup's done. It's ready for the animals. It's ready? All right, go feed it for the animals for tonight. After we sleep, that's right. And what?
Dog, dog.
And the dogs bark. You gonna make another pot?
Oh, I need my cat.
You gonna make another pot? You gonna make another pot? All right.